Have you ever wondered what a radioactive matter the size of nail can do? Let me tell you a real story of year 2023. January 28, 2023. A mining company's heavy-duty truck was transporting a radioactive device from a mine in Pilbara to a facility in Perth. Due to constant vibration, a tiny bolt inside the machine came loose. Inside that bolt was a cesium-137 capsule, was just 8 millimeter long and 6 millimeter wide. It fell silently by the roadside near an old tire. The truck moved on. The debris was made, but when the part were contained, the capsule was missing. And then panic struck. The Australian government declared a radiation emergency. A massive search operation was launched along 1400 km on a highway. The truck entered journey. Specialized vehicles with high sensitivity gamma detector scanned every meter of the route. Police, scientists, emergency response all looking for a tiny object that has power of silently kill. A truck driver said, "The smaller it is, the dead liar it gets. It not a bomb. It kill was without noise or fire." After 6 days of searching, a detector dipped near an old tire on the roadside. Viewed lightly in dust. The 8 millimeter capsule was found. Radiation expert froze. If a child has picked this, if someone put it in their pocket. Australia crowd faced a nuclear scale disaster. The capsule was immediately sealed in a lead-linked box. The area was cleaned and declared safe. No one touched it, but death had come dangerous close. That capsule immediately such powerful radiation of standing 1 meter away for just 1 hour. Cloud exposed someone to the equivalent of 1000 times X-ray rays. It caused chaos, cell damage, DNA mutation, organ failure, long-term cancer. Radiation can't be seen, it can't be heard, it just kills silently, like psychopath killer. A speck-sized object no larger than a fingernail could have caused an irreversible catastrophe. The story topped the world. Science is powerful but dangerous when mishandled. Even knowledge, if misused, can become a cause. Based on a real story. Australia, January year 2023. 8 millimeter cesium-137 capsule lost 1400 km search operation. Capsule found no injuries, but disaster was inches away.